Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Essay on my India. Number 1. India is my country. Number 2. It lies in the continent of Asia. Number 3. The capital of India is New Delhi. Number 4. India is a beautiful country. Number 5. It is also known as Bharat or Hindustan. Number 6. It is the 7th largest country in the world. 7. It is a land of festivals. 8. The national bird of India is peacock. 9. India is well known for its unity in diversity. 10. I love my country. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.